Looking for a military-grade smartwatch with extreme durability, built-in GPS, and over 170 sport modes? Introducing the T-Rex3 GPS Smartwatch 2025, the beast of smartwatches. Whether you're into hiking, swimming, running, or just need reliable health tracking, this rugged smart companion has you covered. Oh, and did I mention it's 50% off right now? Now only $58.78. Original price, $117.56. Click the link in the description below to buy. Let's break down why this watch is so powerful. Dual frequency 6 satellite GPS for precise navigation, 10 ATM. Waterproof. Swim, dive, and surf with confidence, 1.43. Ultra HD AMOLED screen with always-on display. Built-in compass and barometric altimeter. Over 170 plus sport modes. From triathlon to Zumba. 24/7 health monitoring. Heart rate, SpO2, stress and sleep. Bluetooth calls, plus smartphone notifications. Up to 60 days battery life in power save mode. With 15 US MISTD 810H certifications, 316L stainless steel body, and Corning Gorilla Glass, this smartwatch isn't just smart, it's unstoppable. Choose from fitness, ball sports, extreme sports, water activities, yoga, dance, recreational games, and more. This isn't just a watch, it's your full-time fitness coach. Get weather updates, music and camera control, voice assistant, call and app notifications, and even smartphone GPS sync, all from your wrist. Supports 30+ languages and syncs with Apple Health and Strava via the Glory Fit Pro app. Ready to upgrade your wrist game? The T-Rex3 GPS Smartwatch 2025 is a total steal at 50% off right now. Click the link in the description below to buy now on AliExpress. Limited stock. Don't miss out. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tech and gadget deals every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.